And so when we were leading up to shooting the scene, Stephen was like, we could do it one of two ways. We could go and do it with AI, or you could do it yourself. And I was like, well, I feel very confident that I can make some very strange sounds. And I was like, so I went to a sound booth with him and his incredible sound designer who's won more Oscars than anyone in the world. And yeah,
I think we have the
we
clip.
did.
You know Morse code, you know how Morse code goes. Goes dee da 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 da. That's really good. That's really good.